Good afternoon, professor and class. My name is Tyria Stokes. I'm 36 years of age, and I am a resident of Newark, New Jersey, but however, I was born and raised in Jersey City, New Jersey. I'm the mother of one son. His name is Zion Austin. He is truly the joy and love of my life. I consider him my miracle baby after being told that I was not able to have children after having cervical cancer. God blessed me with him in 2016. I found out I was conceiving a baby boy, and he was born in January of 2017. So for my mom, I have one older sister. She actually was adopted. She went to our church and we adopted her, or my mom adopted her when I was 6 years old. She's my big sister. I truly love her. And we're the apple of our mommy's eye. And for my dad, I have two brothers. I am the oldest out of this gang. I have two brothers. And then my father, when he married his wife, she actually had a daughter, and that is my stepsister, Jamelia, and it's Tyler, then it's me, and Tyrone, and I'm the oldest out of those four. And my father is a great support to our dreams in life and to our children as well. So, a little bit of my professional background. I began working in education as a preschool aide. And then from there, I went on to being a substitute teacher. While being a substitute teacher, they actually needed an office manager for the school where I was at. So I began to do that. From there, they asked me to go back to subbing. I went to substitute teaching. And then I actually became a teacher for the in-school suspension program that they had. From that program, I actually grew a love for dealing with children who had some behavior struggles. And the dean of student at the school where I was currently at was actually out sick. And when he went out sick, I became acting dean. I went from that to eighth grade teacher. And from there, with being an interventionist for eighth grade, I am now currently a first grade math teacher. And I love what I do. I love children, and they are my greatest goal is to just pour into their lives as much as I can. I also am very active in my community. I have my own nonprofit organization, which is called COTS, Community Outreach Transformation Station, where we do character building through performing arts, dance, acting, we do it all. Vocal, and I love my children. It's based out of Jersey City. Also, I am currently the youth director of the church program at Mount Calvary Baptist Church. And working with the youth there is just joy to my life. I am also a gospel singer. I've done background for Harlem Gospel Choir, and we've traveled all around the world. I've been to 7 different countries. And right now, I'm currently enrolled in Ashford University, as you all are. My master's is going to be in education, and my concentration is in family and community services. I truly believe that this program has just fine-tuned so many different things in my life that I thought I knew, and I kind of knew it, but I didn't know it. And now going through this program, learning the research, learning the book of what it is to build a culture with the school, the importance of why community engagement is important in schools, why it's important to have parent involvement in school for the academic success and social and emotional success of our children. I've learned so much through this program. And after I graduate, I actually plan on opening up my own consulting company. That is my ultimate goal, to open up a consulting company where I'm able to contract people to different schools where they can build the engagement of the school for community and parent involvement. I think so many times we get hung up with the titles family liaisons, but they have them doing so many different things. They actually don't get to focus on the family and the community of the school. So with this program, just learning the importance of the culture, I think I would be able to implement that in the schools that I step foot in. Also, I just was offered a position. I'm waiting for some things to go through with being a dean of culture here for the school where I am. So there's quite a few things I plan on doing with my degree. I do not plan on being in the classroom long. It's not something that I always wanted to do. I always wanted to be in the space where I'm able to make sure that families and communities come together with the staff of the schools to actually build the culture that is needed for the support of our children in academics. So the learning outcomes. From the learning outcomes of this course, I think that educators will be able to they will be given tools that's needed to present themselves in a cover letter with a purpose and clear outline of what they are able to accomplish in their field with solid research as their support. An unforgettable quote that I love is coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success by Henry Ford. And that kind of just puts it all into one frame of what I believe it's about when it comes to collaborating with all of the stakeholders of the actual education world for our youth. And research methodology. What's important about it? It's important because it gives specific data on what methods to choose, the items needed, and techniques to use concerning the topics discussing or the topic that you may be researching. So I believe that's why research methodology is so important. I'm very excited to see what I will learn and who I will network with in this class. And kudos to you all and good luck.